Hello, today we're going to talk about gas management solutions, the EWR2 from ABICOR Binzell. For many years, gas management was set by a range, say 45 to 35 CFH. Typically we would find this information from a textbook or a WPS, a welding procedure that has been established from a similar part or process. Well, the EWR2 gas management system, it is an electronic-based system versus a mechanical-based system. The mechanical types are like orifices or flow meters with a sight tube on them. Those are mechanically based. The EWR2 system brings us into today's technology being electronically controlled. The nice thing with being electronically controlled is we can monitor incoming pressure, outgoing pressure, and the flow across that to maintain a proper flow throughout your process. Honestly, if you're using welding gas, the EWR2 gas management system's right for you. The optimal solution is somebody that's going to have a lot of arc starts, because one reason the EWR2 performs so well is we're able to manage that controlled arc start. So you have the perfect gas delivery at the start of the weld. We don't use excessive gas, we don't use too little gas. It's just right on that. The nice thing about this is it is a closed loop system. So we're always monitoring that flow, plus or minus 1 liter a minute, and that gives you throughout the entire process. And that's where EWR gas delivery systems are able to save your company money, control your process, and make sure that everything is set up. The nice thing also with being electronically controlled, these are password protected. So with a gas delivery system currently you might have with a flow meter or something, those are not really locked out, not controlled very well. These systems have electronic controlled. You'll be able to monitor, control your process, and make sure you're maintaining a proper gas management and gas delivery throughout the day.